Hello there everyone, my name is Emily from RangeNine and I bring to you a product that every car should have. If you've got a car, you need the 4500 HEPA filter car vacuum. Now, you only ever need one of these. You do not need to replace it because it comes with the filter which you simply pop out and you can clean, making life really, really easy. Now, the way this has been designed with the elongated nozzle means it's really easy to get into those tight spaces. It's got an incredibly strong suction, 120 watt high power motor and cyclonic technology involved. It's also wireless and it's lightweight, so if you are somebody that maybe suffers with lack of dexterity, this is going to be the perfect product. And like I said, if you've got dogs travelling with you or kids, you need one of these in your car.